Record this. I'm not going to.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 365, effective until 2 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Cambria, Cameron, Clearfield, Clinton, Elk. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapid weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stations to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources.
Okay, I need to save the battery for this when the storm is due.
Alright. Repeating.
Severe thunderstorm. Yeah, me too, because I don't. Alright. I have 48, and if we lose power, then I can't charge my phone.
Cambria, Cameron, Clearfield, Clinton, and Elk.
My mac and cheese has evaporated. No.